Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. I got my two subscriptions, my base box and my premium box. I'm going to keep on doing this type of video telling you from which of the boxes is the product that I'm going to use. So let's just jump to it. We're going to start with this one. This one I got it in my base box. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu. I think it is Yuzu. Yuzu Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. This retails for $32. I like the Unicard. I'm a fan of the white and yellow. And this is the actual component. I really liked it. It has a cap and it has a lid. Oh, doesn't smell like anything. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Oh, I thought it was going to be a lot more, let's just say, soft. And it isn't. It is a hard cream, which I don't have a problem because when you start applying it to your skin, it does the job really nicely, and it feels light, not a thick consistency. I always apply my eye cream to the parts of my face that I have fine lines, which is around my mouth and in between my eyebrows, which in English I don't know how it is pronounced, but in Spanish it's el ceño. Yeah, I burned myself with a curling iron, so yeah, I have a proud mark. Next, from my base box, I'm going to use this serum. This is the Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. This retails for $24.99, and it says that it has a 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils. Good. It says after cleansing, apply 1 or 2 drops to face. Can be used all over or specific or trouble areas. I'm going to use it all over. It has a dropper. It appears to be very thick. 1 drop, 2 drops. I was asking myself in my mind, how can I use only 2 drops in my entire complexion? But now I know, because it is extremely thick. So yeah, I can apply it all over my face. And it dries extremely fast. I have already done most of my complexion stuff, and I came back because I remembered that on my base box I got this. This is something name. Oh, Alleyoop. How, whatever it is pronounced, and my bad because I'm pretty sure that I mispronounce it. Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. This retails for $28, and it's really fun. When you open it, it's just one brush. Well, one package for 4 brushes. You have a sponge tip in one end. You twist it to have the technically an all-over brush. And on the other side, you have a powder angle brush. It's really soft, by the way. And then you have an angle brush. When I remember it, I could have used this for my concealer. Instead of using a powder bronzer, I'm gonna use a cream bronzer. I'm not gonna use much, just in pressing motions. And I'm gonna use this sponge end for it to be blend. I'm not gonna wet it, I'm just gonna use it as it is. It's a little bit hard, but not in a bad way. And I think it is doing an okay job. If I'm gonna be really honest, I think this is the end or the side that I'm gonna use less. Well, for the nose, for the nose, it's really good. You blend it in no time. Now I'm gonna use the other end, and I'm gonna go for blush, and I'm gonna use a mix, which it isn't important because the one that I'm using, it isn't from the box. It's just to use the brush. What I really like is the softness of it. Feels nice, good on the skin. It isn't poking. I thought that these bristles were going to start to poke at my skin, but it haven't. Yay. I got this in my premium box. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. This retails for $39. This product, it has been, I don't know how many times, sold out. This is the packaging. Really nice and eye-catching. And I think I'm gonna use the same, well, no, I can't use this. I'm gonna switch the product. I'm gonna use a powder that I got in my base box. The powder is from OPB Beauty, loose setting powder. That powder retails for $22. It has 1 ounce. I'm gonna use this one first to set my entire complexion. Usually I would have applied my highlighter, would have applied it first, but since I'm gonna use the same brush, I need to apply this first. Oh, I like the packaging. It looks a lot like the Laura Mercier, which has this kind of a matte component. But I like this. Isn't, I think it is rose gold, but it is a perfect mixture between rose gold and regular gold color. It has a snifter here. It feels to the touch a little bit dry. I've already set my under eye. And the technique that I'm using to set my under eye, I'm really, really loving it. So now for the highlighting parts, a little bit of, see, shimmer or glitter in it. That's why I want to be really, really nice. I'm gonna use the sponge tip. I think that would be a lot more safer for me. I would rather use this better in my eyes than in my face. I'm 40 years old. This kind of highlighter, I think it doesn't look flattering in myself, but that would be preference. For the love of my freaking God, I thought that I was filming the eye look and I didn't. So my bad, I will just recap a little bit at the end of the video. And this is the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. I already own one lip balm from this brand and I really liked it. It is a coconut lip balm. This retails for $23. But I haven't been liking is everything that I have opened. The lids are already come off. It smells like something from my childhood. Yes, and I can't pinpoint what it is, but take a little bit of it in my finger. Rub it on top of my lips. Well, it doesn't taste bad. And it isn't too hard on the lips. Yeah, I like this. I like this. And let me just take this off. The lips are nice. The next product is this from my premium box. This is Dime Beauty Eyelash Boost Serum. This retails for $44. It has amino acid and peptides. I have lash extensions, so I always, by the way, I don't care if I have lash extensions. I still apply lash serum on top of it. I really like the packaging. It is heavy and glass. Okay, so I'm going to just apply it all over my lashes as I would have normally done with mine. I'm not going to apply it on my bottom lashes because I have mascara there. And I'm gonna dirty everything. And let's just go for the next product, which is this from Pretty Vulgar. This came also in my premium box. This is supposedly Boxy exclusive, and this is a Lovebird Lip Trio. This retails for $30. It is a clear lip gloss and a kind of a wine cardinal. Really, I don't know, some people call this red. For me, it isn't a red, but let's just apply it. And I need a mirror. It has a flat doe foot applicator. Oh, I love the shade. I really, really love the shade. And it doesn't transfer out. So sweet. This is it. This is the entire look. I love how my lips look. Let's just recap what I got. The first thing that we used, it was the eye cream. I really like the consistency of that eye cream. It was really easy to apply, and the feeling that it left on my skin, I really enjoy that. And I really like how my under eye is looking. Then we went for the serum. What I really like, it was that when I apply it to my skin, it absorbs it really fast and it dries really fast. It didn't leave anything on the skin, so that was surprising, but I really enjoy it. From there we jump to complexion using that 4-in-1 brush. I'm really in the fence with the sponge end. Damn, I didn't use the tools inside. So whatever. The only one that I can say that I liked it a lot, it was the angle powder brush, and I used the sponge tip to apply my bronzer. It did an okay job, but I'm going to use that for my concealer, and I'm gonna wet it just to see if it changed or it doesn't change at all. From there we went for the powder. The powder, it is nice. It is just regular powder. From there we went for the primer, the eyeshadow primer. I like that eyeshadow primer because it was more kind of a lotion, a moisturizing thing that I really like and enjoy when I apply it. There we went to the eyeshadows, and I liked it. The only critique, but it's not like a thing that it would hold me back to use it, it is that it doesn't have a shade that you can give a little bit more definition to your eye look. As you can see, all the shades go towards kind of a medium depth, what you would use for your crease. But I like what I did. This one here surprised me a lot. It is what I have in my inner corner, and wow, so amazing. I like it better than the actual highlight that I use. I thought that I was going to use the highlight as a topper thing in my eye look, but instead I use this one that I have in my inner corner on top of the one that I have in my mobile lid, which is this one. It is awesome. This is an all over shade. Just blend the edges and you are ready to go. And you can have an everyday, this kind of an everyday palette because you just want to look polished. From there, we went to the lash serum that I haven't even checked my lashes. I have lash extensions, and also this is the kind of thing that you have to keep on using in order to know. And then I use the lip duo. The feeling in the lips, it is as a regular matte liquid lipstick. It has a lot of opacity. You can just, with one dip, you can do your entire lip color and you will have an even application. As soon as it was dry, I apply the gloss. I like the gloss. It isn't a goopy or sticky or whatever that thing that some lip glosses do. It is really shiny. And the last product that I'm going to use is this one. This is from Vike. This came in my premium box. It is a makeup melt. This retails for $24, and I'm really looking forward to use this as soon as I finish this outro, because it is an oil-free makeup remover spray. And for my lash extension, this is the kind of product that I have to use. So now I'm gonna remove this makeup and I'm gonna use this spray makeup remover, which I'm really intrigued. And let's just see. I have this, this is from Makeup Eraser. Wow. Okay, let's just see if that does the trick. Well, yeah, it does the trick. Let's just go for my eyes, which is the part that I really want to try because it doesn't have any oil, and I can use this really near my lash extensions. When I read that it was oil free, I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna use that. And in a desperate need of a makeup remover that it doesn't have any oil at all and that I would enjoy, and it needs to do the job. And this one so far is really doing the job. Literally has removed everything. Now we're gonna see for the lip. Well, would you look at that? It has removed my entire lip product without making me look like a clown. So this is a hell yeah of a good product. So yeah. So sweets, I hope you like it, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really much appreciate it. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.